I am Mr. Brown. I've been teaching for 15 years, and this is my first year at Clear Lake. I'm from a small town, Riceville. I love North Iowa. I've always, as growing up, I've always kind of come over to Clear Lake and visited periodically. And I'm very excited to be a part of the Clear Lake family. The people have been great. We cover a lot of areas. We have the mechanical drafting, architectural drafting. We have a maintenance shop operations class, automotive class, we have a building trades class. Next semester we'll be implementing the industrial ag welding class, which will be new. The maintenance shop operations and the industrial ag welding class, you can earn credits through NIAC. Kind of very good things for students who may be considering going that route. I want students who are self-motivated. They may not, they want to work with their hands. They want to be creative. Well, hopefully they say they enjoy coming to class. And these classes, I would think that's why they're taking them. They want to be in them. It's an elective. And I would think the kids, they enjoy the class. They're learning some stuff they've never learned before. They're doing some things they've never done before. Maybe using tools and equipment they've never used before. I hope the kids enjoy it and are learning some things that will be beneficial for them. We've got a partnership with IMT, and we're going to have an apprenticeship with them where we will train students here in the welding area, and then we will send students to IMT, and they will further their training over there, and they will gain work experience, and they will also be able to get paid for their time over there. So it's just a win-win for us, the students. IMT also donated thousands of dollars worth of supplies, protective equipment, consumables. They've also installed new welding booths in our shop, and they've also donated a ESOB welder for us. So they have been just amazing at helping us get this kicked off, and I know we got some kids that are very excited to take part in this. I will train the students here some of the basic stuff, and then IMT will send some people over to help with the training periodically and see how things are going. But then once we begin the apprenticeship, the students will go over there for a couple hours a day as a junior, and then they will continue with their training there. I just recently contacted Dean Snyder from In Community and asked if they would help us out and give us save some scrap material for our building trades program so students can work on projects and we can build some stuff. And they just recently donated a $250 gift card for us to get material and supplies at the local lumberyard, and they are also going to donate some scrap material that they may not use on the job site. So Dean Snyder is doing a great job helping us out and hooking us up with some material also. I'm very excited to see what the next 14, 15, 20 years turns out to be.